I am not the best cake decorator. Decorator? I am not the best cake decorator out there. I know, but it's okay. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why. Hi, it's Karolyn. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a professional cake decorator, and on this channel, I share my tips and tricks and ways that I bake and decorate cakes to help you along your journey. So if you'd like to join me, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified whenever I release a new video. All right, just first things first. My boo got me a little microphone, and I'm testing it out. So I don't know, are you going to be able to hear every inhale that I take? I don't know how this is going to sound. Hopefully it'll sound a little better than my other videos because there's quite an echo when I don't have another mic. So just bear with me as I am testing out some new equipment to try to make my videos a little better. You know, we're always looking for ways to improve or get better at what we're doing, and that's really what this video is about, and I wanted to talk to you guys. So, like I said in the beginning, I'm not the best cake decorator that there ever was, and that's fine. I have so many cake idols, if you will, and I know I say if you will all the time. Sometimes I watch my videos back and I'm like, oh my God, shut up, Karolyn. But I have so many cake idols, and I don't know if you're anything like me. Do you ever look at some of the pictures of these cakes that people post and you're like, I suck. Like this, how I can't do that. I'm not that good. Like I always say, Mike's Amazing Cakes. He is just like, how does he do what he does? I'll put some of his pictures over here. You know, he does these crazy sculpted cakes. Him and Cakes by Timbo. All the crazy detail and everything. And it's just something that I don't do. And I don't think I'm ever going to be on a level like that. I could if I dedicated myself to it and practiced and wanted to do that in my cake business. So first of all, I've been decorating cakes for about 20 years now. And through my journey, I have found some things that I'm good at, and I have found some things that drive me a little crazy, right? So I am really good at icing smooth buttercream cakes. I'm good at making 2D fondant figures. I hate making tiny little repetitive. If I had to make 1,000 cake pops, I would probably jump off a bridge right now. You know, so there are things that I do like to do and I won't do. I find when I start to compare myself to other people who are very advanced in other areas of cake decorating than I am, I start to get a little down on myself and feel like, man, I really kind of suck. I'm 20 years into this and I should be further along than I am. And then I smack myself upside the head and I just give myself a reality check. And I just wanted to relay this information to you since we're starting off the new year. And it's just a good mindset to go into the new year with. Like the old saying goes, comparison is the thief of joy, right? Like you think you're doing well in life until you look on Instagram and you see someone with six-pack abs and, you know, flawless skin and perfect life and vacations and everything. And then you feel a little unworthy. And we need to stop doing that to ourselves and just compare yourself to yourself. See how far you've come along in your journey. And that's exactly what I did to kind of refocus and realize that I am doing a lot better than I thought. So I just wanted to share with you guys a couple pictures of some cakes that I did in the beginning versus some recent cakes. Okay, I'll put them all over here. You can see that throughout the years I have made progress. And that's really what matters. No, I can't do carved busts or 3D cakes. Like, I don't like to do stuff like that. However, I am good at what I'm good at. And when I take a look back at these pictures and see how far I've come, then I feel a lot better about myself. Then I feel like I am good at this and I can do this really well. So I just want to say, the only person you really need to compare yourself to is you. And you are naturally, your natural progression is to improve. You're going to get better over time. And just take a look back at pictures of cakes that you first did and see how far you've come. And if you are just starting on your cake journey, just realize that everyone starts somewhere. You know, Michael Jordan had to pick up a basketball for the first time, and he was even kicked off of his high school squad, right? I saw a meme before that says the expert at anything was once a beginner, and it's so true. Like, if you're just starting off, realize that we all started somewhere. We all have had those fails and those mistakes that have made us better and let us grow. So I know this isn't a typical cake decorating video, but what I just want to put out there for everyone, especially with this new year beginning, is everyone is on their own journey and you can only compare yourself to you. So just be proud of how far you've come and realize you have so much further that you can go. And just realize that you are awesome, that you are a badass. Can I say badass on my channel? I think that's an okay word. That's a safe word. But you are doing so much better than you think you are. And just stay focused and enjoy the journey. And I am here to help you along your way, as I am going to hopefully be filming a lot more videos this year for you guys. So I think that is it. If you guys have any questions, leave them below and I will get back to you. And you can follow me on social media. I am on Instagram and Facebook, and I have my website, and I will link everything below as well. And if you want to stick around, you can watch these videos next and hit the subscribe button and the bell if you haven't already. Please like this video if you liked it and got something out of it. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, it's cake. Have fun. I will see you on the next one. Bye.